Good morning, all of you. The continuation of last class. See, the sixth class, there was exercise 1.5. The number of people who visited Games Village during the Commonwealth Games in New Delhi for the first 4 days. For the first 4 days, what is the meaning of the for the first day? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. For the first 4 days was recorded. 15,290, therefore 14,181, 14,235, 10,578. Find the number of the people visiting in 4 days. Add to 4 days. Add the 4 days. What is 5,290, 14,181, 14,235. Therefore 10,576, like therefore 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 8 40, like therefore 17 20 27 28, like C 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 2 12, 5 9 13 14, 1 2 3 4 5. Therefore, what is the total number of people visited in 4 days? 54,284 people. The total, like this. See, go to the second sum. In a Lok Sabha election, the elected candidate got 5,87,500 votes. And defeated candidate 3,52,768. By how many votes did the winner win the election? The difference of two numbers, the difference of two candidates, that is called winner win the election. How many votes did you winner in the election? See, the difference of therefore elected candidate minus defeated candidate. The number is, the result is how winner win the election, like this. See elected candidate, what is elected candidate got? That means 5,87,500. Therefore defeated candidate got what is 3,52,768. Next, how many votes did you winner in the election? How many votes did the winner is equal to, therefore subtract 2 3 7 4 3 2,34,732. Therefore here is 0 0, therefore borrow from 5. This is 9, this is 10, 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 6 3. Sorry, 1 is borrow. Here is 4. Borrow from second number. Here is 4, 1 is therefore 14 minus 7 7. Here is 6, 6 minus 2 4. Here is 8 minus 5 3, 5 minus 3 2. This is how many votes did you winner? 2,34,732. Go to 3. Therefore write the greatest and smallest number formed by the digits. Only use the only this only digits. Use the this only digits. What is 53407? And find their difference. Find their difference also. First of all, you write the greatest and smallest. At the same time, different and then differ. Find the differ means greatest minus smallest. Okay, you write the greatest. What is the greatest number? Using only these digits. Greatest number. What is the greatest number? 7 5 4 3 0. 75,430. Smallest number. What is the smallest number? Like this: 30457. 30,457. 30,457. Any? No, 30. Okay, right. Difference. What is the difference? See, 10 minus 7, 3. 12 minus 5, 7. 13 minus 4, 9. 1, 4. 41,973. This is means difference like this. See, go to the 4. A bicycle industry make 3,125 bicycle in each day. One day make each day bicycles make. One day bicycles make is equal to 3,125. Find the total number of bicycles manufacturing for the month of July. What is how many days in the July? 31 days. 31. July, how many days? How many days in July? How many days in July? 31 days. 31 days. See, find the total number of bicycles manufacturing for the month of July. That means, see, 3,125 into 31. In one day, 3,125. How many days in July? 31 days. Therefore, 31 days into 3,125. Like, what is 3,125? 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2, 1 1 1 3. Okay, right. 3 5 is 50. 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 7. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. Therefore, 5 7 8 6 9. 5 7 8 6 9. Therefore, 96,875. 875. Yes or no? See. Right. Go to 5. See, a helicopter covers 600 kilometers in 1 hour. 600 kilometers in 1 hour. How much distance will be covered in 4 hours? 1 hour 600. 4 hours 600 into 4. Express your answer in meters. In meters, like this. Therefore, distance covered by the helicopter in 1 hour. Distance covered by the helicopter in 1 hour is equal to 600 kilometers. 600 kilometers. And distance covered by the helicopter in 4 hours. Distance covered by the helicopter in 4 hours is equal to 4 into 600, that is equal to 2,400 kilometers. 2,400 kilometers. Already well known to you. Therefore, 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. At the same time, 2,400 kilometers is equal to how many meters? Therefore, 2,400 into 1,000, that is equal to 24. 5 zeros follows. 24 lakhs meters. 24 lakhs meters. 24 lakhs meters. I go to the 6. The total weight of the box 5 biscuit packets of same size, 8 kg 400 grams. What is the weight of the each packet? Here this the total weight of the box 5 biscuit packets. The 5 biscuit packets of the weight is 5 biscuit packets of the weight is 8 kg 400 grams. And what is the weight of the each packet? The total weight divided by total biscuit packets. Like this, see, right? Total weight of the a box 5 biscuits. Total weight of a box of 5 biscuits. 5 biscuit packets is equal to 8 kg 400 grams. Here the 8 kg 400 grams in kg or in grams. Therefore 8 kg means 8000 grams and 400 grams. The total is 8400 grams. 8400 grams. Next, here already well known to you, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. At the same time, 8 kg 8000, 400 grams 400 grams. Therefore that means here 8 kg is equal to 8000 grams. Next 400, 8000 plus 400, 8400, 8400 grams. Each weight of the each packet is equal to 8400 divided by 5. 8400 divided by 5. See, 8 ones remaining 3 4, 8 6, 5 ones 5 6, 30 remaining 4. Therefore 5 8s 400. That means this is it. One packet is equal to one biscuit packet. One biscuit packet. One biscuit packet weight is 1608 grams. 8 grams. 8 grams. This is. Go to 7th sum. See, 7th one, the distance between the school and bus stop. This is school, this is bus stand. Distance between school and bus stop is 1 kilometer 875 meters. Every day Gayatri walks both ways. What is meaning of both ways? School to bus stop and bus stop to school. In both ways to attend the school. Find the total distance she walked in 6 days. 6 days. See, right? The distance between the school and bus stop. Distance between the school and bus stop. Distance between the school and bus stop. Distance between the school and bus stop is equal to, see, 1 kilometer 800, 1 km into 875 meters. In here is kilometer and meters. The total is the convert into kilometers or convert into meters. See, the convert into meters. 1 kilometer is equal to, already well known to you, 1 km is equal to 1000 meters. 1000 meters. Therefore here 1 kilometer 875 meters is equal to 875 meters is equal to, see, 1875 meters. 1875 meters. Next, the distance between the bus stop and school. Same. Distance between the bus stop and school. Same distance, 875 meters. Total distance walked in both ways. Total distance walked in both ways. Total distance walked in both ways. What is meaning of both ways? One is 1875. In both ways means 2 into. That means both ways. What is the total? Therefore, 3750. 750 meters in both ways. Both ways. The total distance Gayatri walked in 6 days. What is meaning? Gayatri, find the total distance walked. She walked in 6 days. That means, therefore, total distance she walked. The total distance she walked in 6 days. 6 days. 1 day this is 1 day. And 6 days means 6 into 3750 meters. That is called 606. 6 5s 30. 6 7s are 42 plus 3 45. 6 3s are 18 plus 22. Therefore 22,500 meters. That in convert into kilometers, so see 22 kilometer and 500 meters. 500 meters. This is the total. This is like. Go to 8. The cloth required to make a shirt. Of a school uniform for each boy. For each boy is equal to 1 meter 8 centimeters. 1 meter 8 centimeters. 1 meter 8 centimeter. 1 meter 8 centimeters. How many shirts can be tailor stitch using 40 meters? Using 40 meters of cloth. How much cloth will be left? See, cloth required to make a shirt. Cloth required to make a shirt. Cloth required to make a shirt. Cloth required to make a shirt of school uniform. Of school uniform for each boy. That is equal to 1 meter 8 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to, like already well known to you, 1 meter is equal to 100 cm. 100 centimeters. That is equal to 100 plus 80 cm. That is equal to 180 cm. For each boy in centimeter, required to one shirt in centimeters, 180 centimeters. Like total length of the cloth. Total length of cloth is equal to 40 meters. Therefore, 1 meter is equal to 1000 centimeters. 2 meters is equal to 200 centimeters. At the same time, 40 meters is equal to 4000 centimeters. 4000 centimeters. Like 4000 centimeters. Number of shirts stitched. Number of shirts stitched. Number of shirts stitched is equal to 4000 divided by 180. 1010 cancel. That is equal to 400 by 18. 400 by 18. Go to the long division method. See, this is like 400 by how many? Therefore, 18 twos 36 40. 18 twos 36 4. Yes or no? 36 4. Like See, here is 40. Therefore, 22 boys. Therefore, see, stitch that is equal to 22. 22. This is 22. What is the remaining? Remaining means length of the cloth left. Length of the cloth left. Length of the cloth left 4 means 40 centimeters. This is like. Next, the cost of the petrol is 60 rupees per liter. A petrol bunk sells 750 liters petrol on the day. On the day means per day. On the day means per day. How much money do they pay the end of the day? Do they pay the end of the day? The cost of the petrol for 1 liter. Cost of the petrol for 1 liter 9. Cost of the petrol. Cost of the petrol per liter is equal to 60 rupees. That means 1 liter is equal to 60 rupees. Therefore, 2 liter is equal to 2 into 60, that is equal to 1 to 120 rupees. Like 3 liters is equal to 3 into 60 rupees, that is equal to 180 rupees. 180 rupees. At the same time, number of liters sold in a bunk. How many liters sold? How many liters sold? Number of liters. Number of liters sold. Number of liters. Number of liters sold in a bunk is equal to 750 liters. 750 liters. 750 liters. 750 liters. Amount got the end of the day. Amount got the end of the day. Amount got the end of the day. Amount got the end of the day is equal to how much? Therefore, see, 1 liter into the cost of the 1 liter into how many liters? Total liters, that is equal to C. Therefore, how much that is called? Therefore, 750 into 60, 6 5s are 30, 42, 6 7s are 42, 42 plus 3 45, 45,000 rupees. 45,000 rupees. Amount got the end of the day. Amount got the end of the day. How much money do they pay? Do they get the end of the day? That means 45,000 rupees. 45,000 rupees.